Dear student, the topic is modals. It is the second class on this topic. In the last class, that means this topic on the first class, I have explained the modals, what is modal, what is auxiliary verb. That means modal means mode of expression. Mode of expression with the help of auxiliary verb we can express. Mode of expression is the main function of the modal or auxiliary verbs. There I have already explained or mentioned auxiliary verbs are be, done, have. Then modal auxiliaries are can, could, will, would. Then may, might, must, shall, and semi-auxiliaries I have mentioned in the last class, they need, dare, used to. Now I will explain with example. I will mention the modals in the left hand side, the functions of the modal, that is to express the mode, which will help the principal verb as an auxiliary verb, and with examples is given, lot of examples. First, instead of mentioning the primary auxiliaries, I have mentioned here the modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries, first I have mentioned here can or cannot, and the past tense could, may, might, will and would. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the rest part will be discussed in the next class. The can and could is usually used the function as an auxiliary verb with the main verb to express can and cannot, to express the ability, to denote permission, or to indicate the prohibition, or to express the request or appeals, or to express offer for help, or to express possibility. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 situation or the mode or the position, modal position as explained here. And when then can and cannot function is mentioned here, and the examples is given so that the function will be clear to you. All of you, Ritu can drive a car. That means it is to express the ability, is able to drive or can drive. Both are you can use here. That is able to drive or can drive. Then it is able or can, you can, and there she can sing a song. She can. I have already, she can. That means yes, for third person singular is not required. She sings a song. But when we are using the modals, can, after can, the main verb, sing. So, yes or yes is not required even though it is third person singular number, because it is not allowed. I have explained in the beginning of this class. Now, you cannot smoke now. Cannot, use the cannot means it is a prohibition. You are prohibiting someone, you can't smoke here, you cannot smoke here. It is, that is for making a negative sentence, can and smoke. In between the auxiliaries or auxiliary verb can, it is a modal auxiliaries, and smoke is the principal verb in between to make it a negative sentence. I have already explained in the principal rule of modals. You put here not, you cannot smoke now, that is you are prohibiting. Now the example 4, can I ask a question? Can I ask? To express a request or appeal. I am appealing. May I ask a question? Can I ask a question? Or may I ask a question? I am making appeal. It is the example, can I make a question? Then next, to express possibility. Possibility, I can give you a lift. That means now it is or to express the offer or hail. 4 is for appeal. I am appealing you. May or I, can I ask a question before you? Next is 5th is offer for hail. You want to give some leave someone by your bike or car. You can ask that person or your class friend or classmate, can I give a lift? Can I give you a lift? Can I give you a lift? That means you are offering for help. Next is possibility. Can this be true? It may be true or may not be. Can this be true? Is there any possibility about the truthness of it? That is to express. Can this be true? That is, I have given example and the functions and the example related to can and cannot. It is the modals. Next modal is could in the past tense. That is ability to express possibility or to express to request. Ability 1 and for could. He could speak English well. That means she is or he is able to speak in English, or he could speak English well. Ability, that means able, that is could. Then speak is the main verb, could is the auxiliaries. And to express the possibility, Arunita could bring pawn with her. Arunita could bring pawn with her. That means to express possibility. Third one, to express request. Perhaps you could meet me. It is the request. Now I am coming to may. May means for asking, you can use it. For giving formal permission. For formal permission or wish or prayer. That means asking or giving formal permission, I am indicating 1, and wish or prayer I am indicating 2, or it is indicated here by 2, and possibility and suggestion 3. That means may. You may sit down. That means you are giving formal permission. All of you sit down. That is here. Sit down. That means you are giving permission for, you are getting permission means you may sit down. Your teacher or your others, you are giving permission, formal permission or formally allowing, you may sit down. That is may. You may live long. You may live long. Exclamatory sentence, optative sentence, assertive, interrogative, imperative, and it is an example of optative sentence. You may live long. May is the auxiliaries and live is the main verb long. And thereafter, you may live long, it is wish or prayer. It is maybe prayer to God. And third one is possibility or suggestion. You are giving suggestion, or there may be possibility. You may go, that means there is a possibility you may go to Delhi by flight, and there is a possibility to go, that, or you can consider you may go to Delhi, that means by flight. That means you are giving suggestion to someone to go Delhi by flight, that is suggestion. It is the use of may. Asking or giving formal permission, wish or prayer or possibility or suggestion is all examples is here too. Then might, may past tense might is also, she might know my address. She might know, that is there is a possibility that, or she knows, that is she might know my address. That is, it is indicating the possibility to know that she might know my address. Now will is indicating intention, invitation, request and command. It is the auxiliaries. Will is auxiliaries, then will is not auxiliary, it is the modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries. Most, I will try to convince the leader. I will intention, invitation, request or command, I will try, that is my, I have intention to convince the leader in my favor or favor something. Then intention, indicating intention, will is indicating intention, then invitation or request or command, one example is given. Then would, it is past tense, but wish, probability, asking permission, I would like to keep you here, that means asking, I am asking, or I wish, I would like to keep you here, I would like to keep you here. It may be wish or it may be asking. It is not asking permission, it may wish or desire. Wish or desire to keep him here. That means I would like to keep you here. Then rest auxiliaries or modals of the auxiliary verb will be discussed in the next class. So all are ready to attend the next class. It will be informed to all of you. Don't miss. That means class 1 is already over, class 3, and the next class I have intention to complete the modals because a lot of syllabus is pending for a board exam. Please go through this, it will give a clear cut idea. It is very interesting and easy, but most important. And the rest part are, there are some rest part is would is over, then after would, the after would what will do? There are more auxiliaries is pending now. In the next class I will explain. Then after would, shall and should, must, ought to, used to, need, dare are the pending, and the 5-6 item it will be discussed in the next class. Thanks all of you. All of you must be inattentive in the class and regularly you follow the class. It will be easy to learn the modals related to your grammar for the board examination. Thanks all of you.